Good morning from natural paradise and sunny Friday morning indeed on this 12th of June 2026. Currently just 10:50 a.m. and my Scott gravel bike got me here in 20 minutes, 8.5 kilometers. And I am ready for another beach adventure here in the beautiful Flaten Nature Reserve. I'm just 300 meters away from where I was yesterday, but I prefer this spot as it is much easier to get into the water and even jump. This is a spontaneous nudist beach spot in the nature, and it's one of my new go-to spots here. Actually, it's so stunning indeed. And beach day number 59 is today. It seems like it's going to be the last fully sunny day today, as for the weekend and next week it seems like it's gonna have lots of rain here and there and lots of clouds also. Yes, it's a beautiful, already warm morning, I must say, and we have currently 18 degrees Celsius in the air. It's gonna be even warmer later, and in the lake is 19 degrees Celsius, same as yesterday. I just confirmed that by measuring with my temporary thermometer. Yesterday I did swim 30 minutes in a row. It was a bit chilly towards the end because it was started to be cloudy, but today I won't have that problem at all. You can see from the beginning of this video that it's a bit of a foresty entry here. It's not like a path, so it's a bit off the main trail here in the nature reserve of Flaten. I was craving the sea today, but then I realized I need to cycle to Lund tonight for Thomas Stenström's concert, and that is total of 23 kilometers back and forth. So I was saying maybe I need to rest a bit and then go to a closer beach spot. The sea will come, I think in July and August. It will be mostly the sea that I will be visiting. Also the water, I don't think it's still warm for a longer swims, even though I did longer swims in Värmdö last weekend. Enough chit chat, let's get more into the water because I will be for quite a long time in the water. As you can see, it is so clean and clear. This is the lake where I have spotted also kräftdjur. I'm not sure how are they called in English, crayfish maybe? Yes, crayfish. At my other spot, go-to spot on the other end. This is also actually Ekudden, but I have found this by mistake a few weeks ago, and now it's my go-to spot. Alright, then let's get going. You can see here the entry is like with stairs into heaven, and you can also dive from here as well because it starts to get deeper, or jump as well. Okay, so Kris is ready for today's swim, so let's go. Oh my god, it's fantastic, it's brilliant. Look at that, look at that. Now I'm still trying to manage how to read the wind, because apparently if I'm looking at the wind direction from the weather app, it seems that it says that it's going to be blowing in this direction, but I don't see any wind. So yeah, I'm a bit confused now because it doesn't matter how I look at that, I always end up at a windy spot. So today I came at the spot where I thought it's going to be wind, but there is no wind, so I'm confused. I'm very confused. Or if the wind is confusing me by changing so quickly, that can also happen. Okay, it's so amazing, it's so nice, beautiful nature all around, and this spontaneous nude beach spot in the beautiful nature. So yeah, maybe today I'm gonna do 1 hour of total swim, 2 times 30 minutes. I'm gonna keep you posted tomorrow. But it's time for Kris to enjoy and say thank you for this, following this my beach adventures and this episode, and stay tuned for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.